music promotions.
The trumpet, with its resounding tones, has played a pivotal role in the symphony of human history. From ancient fanfares to modern jazz riffs, the trumpet's journey is a captivating tale that weaves through time, resonating with ceremonial and artistic significance. In antiquity, primitive trumpets fashioned from conch shells, animal horns, and metal heralded important events. The shofar of ancient Israel and the Roman tuba were early examples, echoing with cultural and spiritual meaning. During the medieval and Renaissance periods, the trumpet evolved with the addition of finger holes and slides. Trumpeters became central figures in courtly celebrations, amplifying the grandeur of royal processions and festive occasions. The Baroque era marked a golden age for the trumpet, witnessing innovations like valve additions in the 19th century. Composers like Bach and Handel integrated the trumpet into orchestral and choral compositions, contributing to its lasting prominence. In the classical and romantic periods, the trumpet transformed into a virtuosic solo instrument. Composers such as Beethoven and Wagner showcased its brilliance and power, solidifying its role in orchestral ensembles. The 20th century saw the trumpet's evolution into a key player in jazz. Trumpeters like Louis Armstrong and Miles Davis pioneered improvisation, pushing the instrument's expressive boundaries across genres. In the contemporary era, the trumpet continues to adapt and thrive in fusion genres, seamlessly blending into global musical landscapes. World music collaborations and avant-garde compositions showcase the trumpet's dynamic versatility. Trumpet education flourishes with dedicated programs, blending traditional techniques with innovative approaches. Festivals and competitions celebrate the virtuosity of trumpeters, fostering a vibrant community of enthusiasts and professionals. As the trumpet resonates through history, it stands as a symbol of tradition and innovation. From ancient courts to modern jazz clubs, the trumpet's enduring journey speaks to the universal language of sound, connecting us across time and celebrating the creativity embedded in its majestic tones.